Now that we know how to navigate through our website document, we will learn how to apply a link to text. A link, sometimes referred to as a hyperlink, will most often lead the person viewing our site to another page within our site or to a different website altogether. There are many other uses for links, but this is the beginner's series, so we'll stick with the basics. The first thing we will need to do is select a text field and place it in object mode. As long as we are still in the Edit section of our taskbar, the text tool set will load automatically. Let's click on the Link button to open the Link dialog box. As mentioned before, we want this link to lead the viewer to a different page. To do this, we will need to select the appropriate link type by selecting one of the options from the drop-down menu. We are looking for the option Page by Number. When we click on the link, our dialog box will display all the options for the currently selected link type. Please note that this form of link can only direct a viewer to other pages of our website and is configured by typing in the number of the page that we will be linking to. If we don't know the number of the page, we have the option of clicking the Web Document button to open the Go To dialog. Here we can select the desired page, and the number of that selected page will automatically be entered for us. At this point, we could click OK to apply the link to the text field, but first let's cover the other link types. The next one on the list is called Page by Title and is very similar to the previous link type. This is also another form of link that can only direct viewers to other pages within our website. Instead of entering the number of a page, we will be required to enter the name. Again, if we don't know the name, we can click the Web Document button to open the Page Browsing dialog box. We will select any page out of the list on the right-hand side and click OK. The last link type we will cover in this video is called Internet Web Page. Here we can enter any website address that we would like the viewer to be directed to. Every time we use a new address, WebEasy will store it in the Favorite URLs dialog box. It would be much faster to select that address in here rather than typing it out every time. If for some reason we wanted to remove a web address from this list, we would need to select the one we would like to remove and click on the Remove Favorite button. WebEasy will ask us if we are sure we want to remove this address because there is no way to undo this action once we click OK. We are sure that we want to delete this link, so go ahead and click OK. Now let's select an address out of our Favorites folder by clicking the button labeled Search in Files. These are all the websites that we have added as favorites on our personal web browsers. Once we find the desired web address, select it and click Open. The last option is to have the link go directly to the desired page by default, or we can check the box labeled Open in New Window. If this is selected, the link will load the next page in a new window or tab. The benefit of using the Open in New Window feature is we can direct a viewer to another website while keeping our website open as well. In this case, we will leave the feature turned on and click OK to apply it to our selected text. Let's preview our page to make sure the link is functioning properly. As we can see, the link is working and has opened in a new tab. Now we can go back into the WebEasy program and learn how to remove a link. This is done simply by placing the appropriate text field into object mode. Click on the Link button again and select None in the Link menu, then click OK. We can use the same method of applying links to pictures, videos, and shapes contained within our workspace. For example, let's insert a picture and apply an internet web page link to it. Then we can preview our website again and see how it works.